Hey guys, I'm Hebrew, welcome back to another video. Today, I'm doing something quite different. I don't think anybody's done this. Well, I've not seen anybody doing this. But today we're going to be making a rubber band fidget spinner. I've already tried it a little bit. As you can see, why is it so dark? Is that any better? I've already done it a wee bit. I think it's... already done it a little bit just to try different ways, like to see what's the best way to do it and the quickest way. I have my rubber band ball here. So yeah, let's start. Yeah, when I was a little boy, well, I still do, I clean up my auntie's work. I actually recorded a lot of my gaming videos in there. Let's get the next one on. So, this is basically how I'm doing it. Putting it through the bearing, then putting one through the other, wrapping it around that bearing, and then that bearing, and it fills it up pretty quickly. Now's the hard part, getting one of these off this rubber band ball. There we go. Old table. Got one off. This is a big one. This is a very big one. A lot of these are quite big. The ones that are on my rubber band ball. Well, right, let me finish off my sentence. So I'll clean like my auntie's work. Like she works in an office, so I clean it and all that, hoover it. And they had a lot of rubber band balls, and I said, oh, I want to make one of them. And I was asking them all like how they made them, and they were like, oh, well, you just get a piece of paper. Oh crap. You get a piece of paper, then you just wrap rubber bands around it. That's actually what I've done here. Got mine pretty big. I lost it actually at one point, and I couldn't really, so I wasn't able to put any more rubber bands on it. But I was still still been collecting them. So it was just, I was looking, where is it? Where's my microphone? Somewhere. I was looking for my microphone and I found it, but I also found this next to it, and I was just literally so happy. Oh, look how strong these magnets are. Not that strong. Yeah, but I've not actually seen anybody do this to a fidget spinner. I might have started a new trend. I don't know. I really hope you enjoyed my new intro though. Took me a while to make. But yeah, I'm gonna cut ahead in the video till I've got a few more of these on this rubber band. Where are you? Yeah, there's probably about 1,000 rubber bands on this, because there's a lot of rubber bands here. Because this is just, froze a bit for a minute there. This is just complete rubber bands. Like there's not like a golf ball or like a wee mini ball inside of this, and then you wrap them around it. It's literally just rubber bands all the way through. And if you're wondering what's inside the big golf ball, it's actually just this and then like the plastic layer around it. But yeah, I'll see you in about 10 minutes. But for you, it will be 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Giant rubber band. Concentrate, Hayden. This was what used to be a giant rubber band, and now it's a giant piece of string. I landed it on my radiator, like dangling off my radiator. So I am back. My fingers are getting very sore. So let me get a bit more of these in there, and the bearings are getting pretty full, so it's getting hard to put them in. I'm going to try and figure out a new way to let me see. I could go like this, the way I done it with a little band ball. This might actually work. Yeah. So actually I found out a new way. It's probably not as easy, but it's better than not having. It actually might work better because it's in the bearings and it's just going over the middle, and these, like the red bits, aren't really getting it. I think they might get it more when I do it like this. But guys, I'll see you again in a couple of minutes. My fingers are getting sore. I'm gonna give my fingers a break. See you in part 2.